so fun when you can start doing your little girl's hair, but they still have all of these tiny little baby hairs that don't quite fit in the ponytails yet, which is why you need this hair mascara. So we call this the rock star hairstyle, but you can see how she definitely needs some help with these little baby hairs. So this is super easy to apply hair mascara. You put it on just like mascara and see how it just starts holding those baby hairs right in place. So much better, so much different with a little hair mascara right on her little baby hairs. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, you're so cute. Rock star hair.